BunnyGoat, you already know. This is like my third video I'm making today. I just want to tell you guys something, that I ordered something from rockauto, man. It's like this manual book, like it's about repairs, dude. Like, here, check it out. Oh, hold up, not, frick. Don't check out my address. Anyways, look. rockauto genuine sticker. I already tried opening it, but I was like, man, I should make a YouTube video out of it. Anyways, look at this, dude. This stuff looks dope. Well, I mean, it's just a book. It's really thick. Look how thick that book is. Damn. Look. Damn, dude. It feels like there's something more in there. Like, I don't know. I just want to open it with you guys so you guys could check it out if you guys order one of these books. In total, it cost me like $20.13, but it was like 17 something, and then like tax and like shipping and stuff. So it ended up being like $20. It's not bad if you tell me like it's a book that you just learn, or you want to get informed how to repair something. I'm not really too sure about it. It gave me a summary of what it's about. But it's gonna be my first time checking this out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Check this out, guys. I mean, it took me a while just to open this up because it's pretty tough packaging, you know. Like, using my keys, and I mean, maybe if you use a knife, yeah, it'd be a lot easier. But other than that, it's kind of rough. But anyways, this is basically just telling you like the return vehicle you ordered it for. See, my 2005 Toyota 4Runner, the V8 one. Repair manual by Chilton, I believe that's what it's called. It's just one. That's pretty much it. The rest just tells your address, and obviously I'm not going to show. But see right there, the sticker of rockauto, and tells you pretty much that's it. And we're gonna go more in it. So here's a card. Collector Series 202 Atwell's Lotus built with rockauto parts. All the parts are here. Blah 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 blah. I guess it's a magnet. I mean, it's pretty cool, I guess. It's a nice touch to it. Sorry for my nails, guys. Just got off of work. You know, working. You know, place where it does tires. It's kind of messy out there. I'm just like literally got off of work. But here it goes. Taking this off. Here's the whole book, guys. This thing is crazy thick. Look at that. Let me turn this around. This is crazy, man. Look at this. Covers all US and Canadian models of Toyota 4Runner. Says the first step in repair includes wiring diagrams. Oh, that's cool. That is so cool. See, and it says 2003-2009 repair manual. And here's the back. I'm not gonna read all of that, but if you guys want to, I'm sorry about this horrible lighting, guys. It shows a picture of a guy. Looks like, I'm not gonna say anything because then I'm gonna sound dumb. That's a lift right there. I don't you guys can't really see because, you know, there's some light. And, you know, it's covered by this plastic covering right here. It's pretty cool, you know. It's already open here. It's gonna tear it up. It's pretty high quality, I say. You know, for 20 bucks. Shoot, should have found this out sooner. Check this out, guys. It's my first book about repairs on any car. My first car, actually. You know, by 10 MO. Here's the contents on it over here. It's pretty cool. Looks like it has 12 chapters, I guess you can say. That's a nice diagram, or a nice picture of the 4Runner. All the parts out. It's really cool. You know, it has the VIN number. Maintenance techniques. Look at that. It's crazy, man. Timing light, dial caliper. You know, to be honest with you guys, this looks kind of complicated. I don't know too much about all this weird stuff. I mean, I guess you could look for torque here. It looks like it. I'm not so sure. It's pressure, length. I mean, it's not. I don't have no idea what all this means. Maybe I got myself in the balls. All right. Tune up and routine maintenance. Oh, that's kind of cool. I mean, that's easier. Has a picture of the engine, you know, cover. Tells you where all the parts are at. But this is the V6, which is kind of not meant to be there. I mean, unless the V6 has the same spot as the V8, but I doubt that, considering it's a V8, you know? It's weird. But yeah, you guys get the point, you know? It just shows you all the pages. I was thinking it's probably going to be kind of iffy. Here's this cool thing I just found, guys. It's like this master index here. So if you have like a problem with the truck, you could probably look it over here, you know, find this in this end of the page. Like let's say the water pump, you know, which I'm gonna need to maintenance pretty soon. Which actually I'm gonna do tomorrow. Water pump right there. Says check 3-9 removal and installation in 3-9. Right here, water pump check. It says a failure in the water pump can cause serious engine damage due to overheating. Water pumps on all models are equipped with a weep hole and a vent hole. That's pretty cool. It shows you a little picture of it. The water pump air hole A and the water bowl hole B in the V6 water pump shown. Well, what's up with the V6? Like, I don't understand why is it V6. I ordered books for V8. Not a V6. It sucks. But I guess. Oh, look, it says all the torque, which is pretty cool. I was wondering how you can find all the torques. It says right here. This is for the torque specifications for the idler pulley bolts, the oil cooler union bolt. You know, basically everything else here. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, I guess you guys get the whole gif of it, you know. Nothing too special here. I mean, this is what you guys get if you guys get one of these books. It's called Chilton. And it's the 2003 to 2009 Forerunners repair manual. And you can get this at rockauto. I don't know how to put the link description below. I don't know how to do any of that. You know, my channel's not that big for me to like kind of get into it. Chilton, it's pretty cool, you know. 20 bucks could get you a lot, you know, just in case if you need it or if you want to specify on something. It's pretty cool, you know, my opinion. But yeah, if you guys want one of these, just go ahead and look at rockauto. It'll tell you what make and model and what year's your car or truck it is. And you just gotta look over for literature. And it'll either say manual, like, what do you call that? Owner's manual and repair manual. At least that's what showed up on mine. And I chose the repair manual. I don't even have an owner's manual in my truck either. So I'm probably gonna have to get that soon. Just cause, you know, I just want it. But anyways. But yeah, this is what you'll get if you pay for one, 20 bucks. I'm not sure if it's gonna be more if you get a different, like a Chevy or something, or maybe a Tacoma. I feel like it might be the same for a Tacoma because it's basically just the same. You know, I feel like it has the same chassis and stuff as a Tacoma, so it probably has the same everything basically. You know, like the V6 and stuff. But anyways, yeah, this is what you'll get for 20 bucks at rockauto. It's pretty good quality. The packaging came pretty good, you know. I opened it, it's pretty good. You know, came with plastic cover as well. They give you this magnet Lotus, I guess. It's all built over rockauto parts. It's pretty cool. And they give you a little return policy, I guess you can say. But yeah, that's all you can get for 20 bucks. This is BunnyGoat, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated because tomorrow I'll make a video about my timing belt and water pump that I'm gonna get done tomorrow. And I hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching and subscribe.